JD Cap 26 here. We just do the repair and tips, and we've got a Hoover steam vac here. I'm going to show you how to attach the hose to it. A lot of people are having trouble with this. Button here, turn that back like that. Lower it. Take this part off right here, this top. Okay, and that goes like that. Then you want to put this in here like so, and get this part out. Go over to this trap door here, lift this up. It's on a spring-loaded thing, and plug it in like that till it snaps. So it's like that, and that's how you do it. You got to put the cover on. When you put the cover on, make sure these two tabs here and here are in the front, and you lock them down completely to get the suction. Okay, see, it's not locked down. Make sure it's locked down like so. You hear a snap noise. All right, that's what I want to show you today, and then you can use your attachment. And with this, if it doesn't feed the water, put your hand in front of it like this for about 30 seconds, and then you can prime it that way. Hope this helps you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.